bananas that I've frozen. This is a great way to use up those bananas that you have that have been sitting on your counter. It's the other way to use your bananas other than banana bread. And this is great because it's homemade ice cream. And now we're just going to fold up the edges. Like this, and I'm going to bring it over to my blender. And we're just going to shimmy all that in there. We're going to add in a little bit of Jack and some vanilla extract. And let's get this going. Take off the lid. There we go. Now you can see this is so simple, super simple, easy recipe to make at home for ice cream. Less than 5 minutes. Just look at this incredible texture. It looks just like ice cream. And we're going to scoop this into our muffin pan. And just get that in there. And this is a great recipe because you can really adapt it to exactly what dessert you're making. You can add in any of your favorite flavors. You can add in fruit. You can add in different alcohols if you like that. You can also add in nuts, marshmallows. All right, now we're just going to pop this into the freezer. And I have another one that I've already prepared. We're going to leave this out for just a moment. And we're going to come over here. I have a donut dough, and we're going to take our chopstick. We're just going to push down. This is going to give us a guide for how we're going to be cutting our dough. You can see the lines there. We're going to start cutting on each line. And we're just going to cut into our dough like this. And we'll turn it as we go. And can you see this shape that we're getting here? So once we've done the outside, I'm going to come back with scissors and we're just going to cut into our dough, and we're going to turn as we cut. I'm going to get that shape in there. And I'm going to bring it over to my oil that it's preheated, 350 degrees, and we're just going to drop that in there. And while our donut is cooking, I'm going to come back here and we're going to work on the decoration for our dessert. We're just going to peel our banana quickly like this. And we're going to sprinkle on some sugar. And I've got my blowtorch. We're just going to caramelize this. And we're going to flip our donut over. Just slide the paper right off.